How to turn off in-app purchases on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and scroll down and tap on screen time and then tap on the content and privacy restrictions option you see there. Further, you will see the option for iTunes and App Store purchases. Tap on that and then tap on the in-app purchases option you see there under the Store Purchases and Re-downloads tab. Here, go ahead and tap on the Don't Allow option, and with this, in-app purchases will be disabled. So this is how you can turn off in-app purchases on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.